If you didn't know this, when you press shift 5 times, sticky keys gets activated. We're going to use this to change the password. First, we're going to have to restart your machine and boot into a distribution of Linux. To do this, you can change your boot order. For me, I'm going to use a CD. You can use a USB, in which case it'd be under removable devices. But for me, I'm going to set CD-ROM drive to the top. That'll make sure that CD-ROM is booted first. Backtrack, the GUI doesn't start right away. So you'll see me run startx right here, and that's to basically start the GUI, the X interface. Now we're going to browse to the Windows file structure. Open up the Windows folder and drill down into System32. You see me type SYS down there to find it. I'm looking for the sethc.exe. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut that or move it, and that's just basically going to back it up. I'm going to do that to the root of the file system. And that gets that out of there. Now we need to copy the command exe, and what we're going to do with that is we're going to rename that. Now in renaming that, the next time when you type shift 5 times, the system's going to open up sethc still, but this time sethc is actually going to be disguised as a command. We'll use this to our advantage when changing the password later. So we have to reboot, boot back into Windows. You can simply remove your removable media. Now that we're booted back into Windows, we're going to go ahead and press shift 5 more times again. What this is going to do is it's going to still give us the warning, and it's also going to open up our command prompt window. So we can use a command called netuser. This is going to list all the users in the computer that's locally stored on the computer. So as you can see, the user is just as it is right there. So we use netuser and then type in the username and then an asterisk symbol. Once you do this, the system's going to prompt you to change the password. You can change the password here to whatever you want. Just make sure you enter in the same thing twice, or it's going to yell at you that you didn't type in the password twice correctly. Once you're done, it'll tell you that you've done it successfully, and the password that you just changed it to you can use right here to log in. As you can see, you've gained access to this user profile. Thank you for watching.